Hello everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can allow unknown app resources or enable app installation in your device Redmi 11 Prime. So if you want to learn how to enable app installation or to allow unknown app resources in Redmi 11 Prime, you have to follow the few tips which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can allow unknown app resources or enable app installation in your device.